Friends, welcome to our success story session. Today we have with us Adarsh. Adarsh has been, extremely hardworking the way I've known him, right? Based on the interaction that I've had with him, I felt that he was very hardworking, and that is the reason why he successfully got into this field of data science. So, Adarsh, the first question to you is, despite being from ECE background, that is non-IT background, you got into this field of data science, and a lot of people have this question in their mind that should I be from IT background only to get into the field of data science, or can I be from any other non-IT background as well? So over to you, Adarsh. Can you throw some light on that for our audience?
Sure. Sir, thank you first of all for inviting me and conducting this session. So coming to your question, so as I am from electronics background, so I have completed my master's in that in 2017. So after that, I realized that in industry there is a lot of few companies who are offering core jobs. So due to that, I decided to go to IT industry and use Python data science field. So, but as you said correctly, that anyone can get doubt that can I do this from non-IT to IT. So I think my answer is yes, because at the end we have to acquire skills and we have to adapt new technologies. So if you are capable of that, you can do that. So that is my answer. And so as I so then my one of my friend who was already into the IT domain, who was successfully placed into MNC company at the time of engineering only. So later I because I moved into master, so he resigned. So he told me that. So I just asked him like what are the topics or the domains which are trending or which we can grab easily. So he suggested go with the Python, but he was not. Means that time I was also not sure where to join, how to do this, whether I can do it or not. So all these questions I had, and then so I just looked into randomly. So I am near to Hyderabad, so I just looked for Hyderabad good institutes and all. So when I searched randomly, so first top two or three, there was like 360DigiTMG. I found there were good reviews and all. So I visited almost every institute, but I found this very interesting because they had the kind of a good environment where they do like a classroom session as well as the hands-on on their premises. All these things I liked it. So the environment all. So I decided to go with that, and so they were so in this we used to get a lot of hands-on projects, assignments basically to clear our concepts. So that helped me. Uh, so that was my initial thought. Sir, you're mused, I think.
Yeah. Thank you so much, Adarsh. So now we have brought in a lot of rigor into the projects that we are driving. And in each and every project, I'm personally getting involved to give the complete guidance to our students. And I'm sure it's going to help you. So others, going back to coming to the second question, you have worked as an intern as well,
Yes.
right? And you worked on a few projects as well. How did that help you, Adarsh?
It helped a lot. It helped a lot because that actually clarified my all the doubts. I got a chance to do hands-on work. So it helped me. Currently, also it is helping me in the industry whenever this such type of challenges comes or any bug fixing is there. So we know that somewhere we already done that. So this helps actually. Apart from not project, assignments will also help because that is the basics. If
Right.
you learn the algorithm, then you are know the theoretically. But when you are doing assignment hands-on, you know the granularity, like what parameters we need to change, all these things is there. So it will help a lot, and we should focus on basics first, according to me.
Fine.
That's what
Wonderful. Yeah. Absolutely, Adarsh. And the kind of rigor that we used to have while you're working as intern, and now it's increased multifold, I should say. And a lot of people are working on auto ML, auto EDA, all these things. We are pushing a lot of work onto them. Hopefully, They'll all learn a lot. So final question to you is, Adarsh, while there are bunch of inputs that we can give to our students on how to get a job in the field of data science, right? And you also might be having a lot of thoughts, a lot of guidance points on how to prepare and how to get into this field of data science. Can you help us understand only one most important, suggestion to our students who are currently undergoing the training, or to the students who are working on the projects or completed projects? What is the one single most important suggestion that you would like to share, others?
Sure, sure. So this is a good question, but what I followed, I will tell. So all of us also maybe relate to that. So when the classes are going on, I would suggest first of all to concentrate on the basics, whether it is mathematics, statistics, programming, anything is important from the basic. If your basic is clear, you can build your logic by doing hands-on. Apart from that, you can write as notes which will help in the future interviews process. Because sometimes what happens, which I felt while doing the data science course and while teaching, get learn, it will feel like, oh, it's nothing. But after 2 months, you will get forward. So that happens. So if you build a note and concentrate on basics, and that will help in interview. Like in interview also, whatever the questions will come, if you are not able to answer, write it down immediately, showing it prepared, start preparing on that questions. Like that, you can grab very easily and quickly, according to me. So I will suggest everyone that nowadays AI is everywhere. The jobs are actually jobs are lot of jobs are there, but we needed actually talented people who can do that particular job. So that type of skill set is required to acquire that. I think basic knowledge and hands-on practices and all this is required. So I think if they will follow, definitely they will get.
Absolutely. Thank you so much, Adarsh. So, Adarsh, while he has given a few suggestions, the key thing which Adarsh was saying was to focus on the basics while you are undergoing the training and make notes of all the concepts. This has multifold advantage, friends, because we are all humans, right? We might sit in the class, we might be attending the session, but we might be thinking about something else, which might be bothering us or which is really exciting. Just to ensure that you do not get diverted, please make a running notes of whatever is being discussed. And this is going to help you immensely, right? Thank you. Thank you so much, Adarsh, for your time. And I'm looking
Thank
forward
you.
to meeting with you in person as well very soon.
Sure, nice to meet you after a long time. Thank you. Bye.
Thank you,
Have a great day.
Adarsh. Take care and all the best.